Hello everyone, this is The Unspeakable at Interscapes Art Studios. I am painting over this painting. I never posted it. I still might do something with it digitally. I sped this up today because I wanted to remember how I put the paints in the cup. I'm using up the old Artist Loft paints that I was experimenting with translucency and extra pouring medium. And the colors that I'm using today are just the leftovers. They're not a palette that I've chosen for the day. And I wasn't sure if it would work out, but I like the painting. Painting has been rather difficult for me lately because I'm using up a lot of emotional energy dealing with health issues and family issues and difficult things over the holidays. It's not a jolly Christmas for me this year. It's more of a contemplative and a deep diving into the winter season and a lot of just quietness and tolerance, forbearance, a little bit of sadness, and that's okay. Now already this one does not look promising to me, but we'll let it play out. Today I'm surprised that anything is going well at all. And actually I don't think anything is going well. I'm just doing my ritual of painting and getting on with it. These colors don't look good to me. And yet I'm going anyway. I figure I can always paint over it. Here I fast forwarded so you could see the cells bloom. And I kept trying to find some salvation in this painting. And the salvation happened when it dried, because these paints dry darker, and the darkness kind of sank and lifted up the color and the whites and the beiges and the golds. And it gave a shading to the cells that I haven't really gotten before. I guess that was the translucency. So I really like this painting as an expression of earth. And when things are difficult, earth is the element that's supportive, that holds you. Thank you for joining me. I hope to see you soon.